Two equivalent of Na2CO3 has the highest mass. Which neutral atom has 18 electrons in its outer shell is PD. 2 root 2 magnetic moment values will correspond to the highest ionization energy for the element which is placed in fourth period and seventh group of long form of periodic table. Nodal planes of n bonds in CH2 double bond C double bond C double bond CH2 are located in 2 in molecular plane and 1 in a plane perpendicular to molecular plane which contains CC sigma bond. The common features among the species Cn minus, CO and NO plus are bond order 3 and isoelectronic. Above critical point, the meniscus between liquid and vapor phase disappears due to zero surface tension. HCl plus NH4Cl solution does not act as a buffer. Hydrogen is not an isotope of hydrogen. The amphoteric hydroxide is BeOH twice. The species having bond order different than carbon monoxide is NO minus. Glycerol is separated in soap industries by distillation under reduced pressure. Acid rain, aerosol particles of oxides, wet deposition, aerosol particles of ammonium salts, wet deposition, SO2 absorption, dry deposition. But SO2 absorption, wet deposition is not a character statement. For an anion crystal of the general formula A plus B minus and coordination number 6, the radius ratio will be between 0.73 and 0.41. The vapor pressure of a dilute solution of non-volatile solute is P and the Vp vapor pressure of a pure solvent is P0. The lowering of the vapor pressure is positive. In the atmosphere of industrial smoke, copper corrodes to form basic copper carbonate and sulfate. Collision of atoms or molecule possessing sufficient threshold energy results in product formation is a wrong statement regarding collision theory of chemical reaction. Yet the equilibrium position in the process of adsorption delta H is equal to T delta S. Ge is a metalloid element. Acetone can be converted into phenol by Mg HgH2O. The metal ions associated with enzymes are called coenzymes is wrong statement. The polymer which contains strong intermolecular forces, that is hydrogen bonding, is nylon 6,6. A drug which kills the organisms in the body is called bacteriostatic is wrong statement. Oxidation state 3 is the most common among the lanthanides. Be2C gives methane on reacting with water. Conditions suitable for high solubility of ionic compound in solvent should be low lattice energy and high hydration energy. When boric acid reacts with aqueous NaOH, it produces NaBOH4. Carbon dioxide and oxygen levels are maintained by photosynthesis and respiration. How many tetrahedral voids can exist per unit cell in hexagonal close packing sphere is 12. Among Na, Hg, S, Pt and graphite, which can be used as electrodes in electrolytic cells having aqueous solution, Hg, Pt and graphite. Extent of absorption of adsorbate from solution phase increases with increase in amount of adsorbate in solution. In blast furnace, the highest temperature is in combustion zone. Iron is rendered passive by treatment with concentrated HNO3. H2CrO4 is called as chromic acid. CONH35Cl2 plus doesn't show geometric isomerism.